Welcome to our last week of spelling and grammar. Next week we'll be doing some fun stuff with your language arts. This is the last week for graded work for your report card. So I will go over the grammar. Let's go to student view so you can see what's going on. This is what you should see when you're on there. You'll have the lesson that's there. We're going to click the assignments right there. Hopefully they come up, and there they are, and you're going to scroll all the way down to May 11th. We've done quite a bit online. Can't wait till it's all over. Okay, so we did spelling in the last one. The spelling is normal. The spelling words are up there, but we're going to use comma and possessive pronouns. I don't know why the workbook put these two together, but they did. The first lesson that we have, the PDF, when you click on it, a couple of things you can do. You can, if you notice how I'm uploading all these, and they all pop up down here. So I have them all there. All the worksheets are there. There's worksheet 1, 2, and 3 that is there. You may either print them off at home and take a picture of them done and send them to me. You can either send them to Gmail or through Canvas. Or what you can do is, if you look up here, it says submit assignment. On that submit assignment, when I click that, let's open one up first. Let's open up this one. So here's the worksheet. The first one is proofreading spelling. You know how to do that. Actually, let's go to the grammar one. That's more spelling. But this is an easy one. You just write 1 to 10 into the text box, and 1 to 12, and give me the words that are spelled wrong. I'm going to go with this one. And this is more uses for commas, and basically they're talking about two different types of commas. One, which we've gone over a lot this year, commas in a series, where you've got 2 or more, and then the other one is you're splitting it up when you just have 2 ideas and you're putting it before the and, which you can do. What you need to do is read the directions that are there. They're going to give you 3 things to put into a sentence. So camp, hike, and raft. If I make that into a sentence, it might be, this summer I would like to camp, hike, and raft. And of course I'm going to put the comma after camp and the comma after hike. So to write that, I would probably write these down on paper. And then what you can do is, when you go to here, you go to submit assignments. And you can see right down here, and I would, for that first worksheet, you just go number 1. This summer I would like to camp, hike, and raft. That's all you need to do. Then you do sentence number 2. So I think there are 6 or 7 on that first page, 6 on the first page and 7 on the second page, and just write them into that text box. And when you're done, you go down to the bottom and make sure you hit submit assignment. That's there. What you may do, I know it's a pain, but if you want to write it in your, say I'm going to resubmit assignment, and I have it here, and I have, let's say I'm on number 1 and I did it. Now I'm on number 2 and I got to refer back and look, right? So I'm going to go there. Oh, it's Ohio, Iowa, Utah. So then I can go back. I drove my car through Iowa. What was the other state? And you can see how you can click back and forth. Ohio and Utah. Ohio, comma, and Utah, period. And then I'm going to make sure I come down here and I submit assignment again. And then I'll have it all in Canvas, and I'll grade it. It'll be done for the end of the week. And that's grammar this week. It's pretty easy. I kept it short because I would really like you to spend time on the creative writing assignment. It's a really good one. And I'll put that, you can watch that in my next lesson.